Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Remy Huki for Capital Markets Report. Today is Wednesday, July 18, 2008. JSW Steel, India's third largest steelmaker, wants to acquire United Coal Company and other producers of fuel in the U.S. to secure supplies after prices soared to a record. This according to Bloomberg News. JSW Managing Director Saijan Jindal said in a Bloomberg interview from Mumbai that the negotiations with United Coal are on, and the company is looking at other mines as well. The Economic Times reported on July 12th that JSW placed an initial $2 billion bid to buy United Coal. Prices of coking coal used in steelmaking have risen threefold this year after floods in Australia reduced supplies. And staying with capital markets news, InBev may raise as much as $4.6 billion by selling Anheuser-Busch's theme park and beer can divisions to help pay off debt for its purchase of the U.S. brewer. This according to Bloomberg News. Sachin Shah, a merger analyst at iCap Securities, told Bloomberg that Belgium-based InBev may get $2.9 billion for the theme parks and $1.7 billion for divisions that recycle beer containers and make cans as well as bottles. Selling the units, including the Busch Gardens and SeaWorld theme parks, will get Anheuser-Busch out of peripheral businesses and help pay for the Belgian company's $52 billion all-cash takeover of the St. Louis-based brewer. InBev is financing the deal, which split Anheuser's founding family with $45 billion of debt and a stock sale. And in more capital markets news, the world's largest manufacturer of ball bearings has entered into preliminary merger talks with German tire and vehicle parts manufacturer Continental. This according to Thomson Merger News. Continental's share price rose 22% after the German tire and vehicle parts manufacturing company confirmed that an approach had been made last week. Continental added that Schaeffler, the world's largest manufacturer of ball bearings, has not yet made a firm offer for it to evaluate. According to German press reports, if a firm offer does emerge, it will be in the region of 10 billion euros. That would make it the largest deal involving a European target so far this year, as Schaeffler would also be taking on Continental's significant debt. And in other capital markets news, Biopharm has agreed to acquire Lev Pharmaceuticals for nearly $443 million in cash and stock. This according to Reuters. The offer of $2.75 a share represents 49% premium to Lev's closing price of $1.85 on Monday. Biopharma shares fell almost 8% to $11.57 in morning trade on the Nasdaq. The acquisition will add Cinryze, which targets hereditary angioedema disease, to Biopharma's pipeline. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto your Capital Markets channel online and read the full stories and the latest developments.